It's time to hit the button and see what happens. Hopefully there's no huge fireball. Alright, so this was originally going to be just a video about the exhaust, but I can't get the engine running. That makes it hard to listen to the exhaust. So, the battery that was in here, well, it died. And well, so what I've got going on here is I've got the N70 battery out of the Brumbity sitting on the floor. I've got the positive coming up to here. I've got the negative going on to one of these foot plates on the other side, and it cranks really strong. So I think that's got a good power supply there. Now I have pulled the plug leads off and I've put another spark plug on and checked that, and the coils are firing. Now these things have a vacuum actuated petcock in there, which means the fuel won't come out of the tank and go into the carbies until the engine's actually running. Makes things, well, difficult. And it also leaks. So, what I think the next trick will be... Alright, so I've got this thing out again. Now, if you don't know what this thing is, well, there's a link. Go watch that video as well, it's pretty cool. Now I built this so that I could just stick it in the engine bay of an old car, plumb up a fuel line to the carby, and then a return line back into it, usually off the stock fuel pump in the engine bay, and then I could just hook it up to power, flick the switch, and I'll have a fuel system ready to go in any vehicle. So you don't have to worry about old rusty tanks and stuff. So just a little modular unit. Worked really well on the Corolla that had been sitting for like 10 years, just plugged it in and away it went. I have a feeling we're going to have more troubles with this. But I've taken off the petcock and the fuel line that goes to the carbies. I've taken that out. We're going to hook this up. This has about a litre of fresh fuel in it, some new 98. So we'll put that in, wire it up, and then see how we go. So that's all plumbed in. And if all goes well, there should be fuel in the carbies now. Now I'm going to open the screw on the bottom and see if anything comes out of the carbies. Okay. Alright. Fuel came out was a little brown to start with, but it's flowing a nice colour now. Sounds like the pump's got up to pressure. Let's see what happens. It's really annoying. Alright, time for some more head scratching. Alright, so now that I've got fuel in the carbies, still doesn't want to start, so little syringe with some petrol, and I'm just going to squirt this directly into the carbies just to hopefully help it. See what happens. Well, that's the best result so far. However, the little syringe didn't enjoy the petrol apparently. Alright, new plan. Well, I pulled the carbies out and cleaned a bunch of gunk out of the bottom of them. Hopefully they work now. You may have noticed that because I was playing with carbies, I've kind of grown a weird beard. Anyway, it's time to hit the button and see what happens. Hopefully there's no huge fireball. I forgot to put my earplugs back in. Now my ears feel numb. One day I will do a video on the exhaust system, which makes really loud bangs. But for now, this is just not working. Okay. That's the Well, it works again, but it's not really idling very well. The only way I'm getting it to actually start is to put my hand over the carby, so it sucks through a bit of petrol first, then take the hand off and it fires up. But it's working. So I'll tinker a little bit longer and, well, hopefully get this thing to idle, and then I can make the other video that I've been planning on making about this custom exhaust. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'm going to quit now before I set fire to something, and well, yeah, as always, customize everything. I gotta go shave this weird beard. Don't like playing with carbies.